हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। दोस्तों, आज के एनटीएस का सिटी पेपर आपके सामने है। कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस बाय चूजिंग द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द गिवन लेटर चॉइसेस A to D below each. Question number 1 is we should be dash citizens. Option C is correct, responsible. Number 2, I say good morning dash father and mother. Right option is B, 2. I say good morning to father and mother. Wild bees in small cages are sorry. The correct option is option A, sight. Dash are going to school. Option D, they are going to school. Emily Dickinson was dash in Amherst. Option C, born. Emily Dickinson was born in Amherst. A proposition dash a relation between ideas in a sentence. Option A shows. He has dash teaching in this school dash 3 years. Option A, he has been teaching in this school for 3 years. Saqib writes in a simple and dash way. B, understandable. Every year Nasiruddin Day is dash in Turkey. Option C, celebrated. The 21st century is the century of sophisticated technology and science. Technology and science began to make progress in the 17th century. The word century is it's a noun. Option A. The word began in the passage is a. Option A, verb. Choose the letter word or phrase that is most nearly opposite in meaning to the word in capital letters. Create. Option D, destroy. Practice. Option B, refrain. Fate. Option D, lean. Hard. Option B, soft. 4-letter pairs A to D follow a related pair of words given in capitals. Select the lettered pair that best expresses a relationship similar to that expressed in the original pair in capitals. Keep, kept. The right answer is teach, taught. Classify, classification. The right answer is D, shatter, shattering. Praise, criticize. Option C, rebuke, chide. Quickly, quick. Option C, timely, time. The geometric mean of 9 and 25. Option C, 18. X is less than or equal to Y. Option D. Choose the number of which 5 is a factor. Option C, 735. This sign is. Option C, parenthesis. An algebraic expression in which the powers of variables are whole numbers is called. Option D, polynomials. How 0.2 is written in percentage form? Option D, 20%. 2 multiplied by 7x minus 3 bracket plus 5 minus 2x plus 6 bracket is equal to. Option C, 4x plus 2, 4. A decimal which can be written in fraction of the form of p by q is called. Option B, rational number. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Then the quotient is. Option A, 6. HCF of 14, 35 and 98 is. Option B, 7. Find the value of x in the expression 2x minus 7 is equal to minus 8. It's option D, -1/2. In regular hexagon, the size of each angle is option C, 120 degree. Write an expression 6 times the sum of x and 5. Option A. Translate 3x plus 2y in words. Option A. Sum of 3 times of x and 2 times of y. Find the mean proportional of 4 and 16. It's option C, 8. Which of the following is in equation? Option C, 5x minus 1 less than 0. 5.12 minus 5.02 is equal to option B, find 1. If A, B, C are any three whole numbers such that AXB plus AXC, then this property is known as option A, distributive law of multiplication over addition. As compared to paint a cell, a typical animal cell contains option D, central nucleus. The distance traveled by the free fall object after 5 seconds is option A, 125 meter. These are green leaf-like parts which protect the inner part in bird condition. Option A, calyx. The optimal use of nature for the production of renewable energy and food is called option D, environmental biotechnology. The dark color organic matter formed in the soil by the decomposition of animals and plants is referred as option B, humus. Bacteria help to break dead organic matter. Option B. Which of the following tools is more efficient for the production of electricity from the sun? Option B, solar cell. Repeated sessions of contraction and relaxation are mainly associated with option C, muscle tissues. Which of the process basically involves in heaping biomass that is derived from various organic materials? Option B, biocatalysis. In human beings, immunity against diseases is mainly enhanced by option C, white blood cells. Light sensory cells which are linked to optical nerve from dash. Number A, retina. Now Pakistan studies. Chinkara deer and peacocks are mostly found in option B, deserts. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation SAARC came into existence with the effort of dash. Option B, Bangladesh. Sub-Himalayan range is also known as option D, Shivalik mountain range. The second highest peak in the world is located in option A, Karakoram range. Which of the following receives rains more than all the other valleys? Option A, Kashmir Valley. Liaquat Ali Khan joined All India Muslim League in option A, 1923. Dash play an important part in a country's economy. Option D, exports. In October 1958, General Muhammad Ayub Khan deposed option A, Iskandar Mirza. The title of Aid-e-Millat was given to option B, Liaquat Ali Khan. The first person to use the term two-nation theory in 1867 was option B, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. नबी के मानी है ऑप्शन ए, खबर देने वाला. तौहीद के लग़वी मानी है آپشن ڈی ایک ماننا. توحید کی ضد کیا ہے؟ آپشن ڈی شرک. نبی صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم کے کس نام یا وصف پر قرآن مجید کی ایک سورت کا نام ہے؟ آپشن ڈی محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم. قرآن مجید کا ایک نام الفرقان ہے جس کی معنی ڈیش ہے. بی حق و باطل میں فرق کرنے والی کتاب. الطیب کا معنی کیا ہے؟ آپشن سی پاک. عقیدہ کی معنی ہے. آپشن سی گرہ لگاتی ہوئی چیز. جنت کے دروازوں میں سے ایک کا نام ڈیش ہے جس سے صرف روزہ دار داخل ہوں گے. آپشن ڈی باب الریان. قرآن مجید کی کون سی صورت ہے جو ایک تہائی قرآن کے برابر ہے؟ آپشن سی سورہ اخلاص. نبوت کا سلسلہ کس نبی سے شروع ہوا؟ آپشن اے حضرت آدم علیہ السلام. While teaching, the assessment helps the teacher to. Option D plan lessons. The second component of Glossor's instructional sequence is. Option D entering behavior. The question technique is major focus in the method of teaching. Option A lecture. The last question is discovery has important role in learning. The example of discovery learning is. Option C experimentation. For such material and English language, please do visit my channel. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you so much.